Hey, welcome. This is my Armattan Rooster. This is my journey of building it and getting it up in the air for the first time. Welcome. Rooster 5-inch. Spurred on by Dan to get this done while we've still got a bit of summer left. I've had this since the 1st of February. We're September now. Need to get it done. So 5-inch Rooster, FedEx 30 amp, 2306 Deadpools, the 2450 kV, Maytech VTX and F4 F5 OSD had kicking about. FreeSky R-XSR, printed these up, they'll sit under the back arms. Riot Swift 2. Rooster don't like this, does it? So, like camera casing for it. All good. Time to get on and just build, I suppose. Now Rooster's together, real nice build with this Maytech. I believe the camera and the VTX tramp control is over TX5 and it's just carried over the ribbon cable straight to the VTX. So the only thing I had to wire in was the camera and the S-bus and telemetry obviously. So clean, really happy. Just a matter of buttoning it back up. Put the capacitor on here, check that there's no dead shorts. Everything checks out. Be happy to plug this in now. Button it up, see how it looks. Stunning looking quad. Here's a bit of footage from the maiden Shakedown. It felt great.
Camera.
You bully. Hey.